Some mornings you don't need a reason to go. You just need the right boat. This is the Azimut Verve 42. Built in Italy, shaped for speed, triple outboards on the transom with power packages tuned to how you run. That's a boat built for the kind of day that starts before the marina wakes up. 1,200 horsepower behind you and a stepped hull under you. You're past the inlet and into open water before most people finish their coffee. Wide open, this thing runs. Side panel drops. Swim platform opens over the water. Ladder comes down. You're in before the engines even finish ticking. Cockpit table folds flat and disappears, so the whole deck opens up for the afternoon. Foredeck lounge under the bimini is where the coffee happens at sunrise. Run to a sandbar for lunch, or just keep going until the coastline changes. Below deck, there's a real cabin waiting when the sun goes down. Queen bed and windows right at the waterline. But this isn't a boat you look at on a Saturday. It's a boat you're already living on by 8 in the morning. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.